There's the full view of the bedroom. And in the corner you can see the whisper room. Removing the framing. Removing the drywall. Removing the door. Removing the door jamb. Now actually removing the frame. From here you can see the insulation. So you can see there's a couple layers in most spots. It's a 2-inch foam and 1-inch foam. There's with the frame added in. If you look closely, you can see the 1/2-inch gap between the drywall and the insulation. So there's the door jamb added. Protrudes 3/8 of an inch to meet up with the drywall flush. There you can see the door jamb is flush with the back of the framing. There's the door. You can see the gap around the door, between the door and the door jamb. There's the framing. So that's it.